anything else. Welcome to me making something. There's many a thing in the works at the moment. This table's a mess with the possibilities of things. But for today, I'm going to do a simple thing. A while back I made that little hut. I have intentions of building it up, but for today, I'm just going to build something to go beside it. I'm going to build a well. Let's make a well. Right, we're going with the, what is that, 10mm foam. I was going to use the thickest stuff, but decided that's my crossbeam. I'm going with that as the main of the base. Right, for the base, mischievous dog doing something on the floor, looking at the camera. You know, there's like standard things when I make stuff. So that's not the camera. Sit on the floor and be naughty. There has to be drilling, someone yelling, things like that. I could get the hot knife out and cut this perfect. But why would I bother? Besides, when I use a hot knife, it's never very accurate. Of course, it doesn't have to be perfectly accurate because it's rustic. We like rustic, man-made. So there is a reason for making a well. This is a practice run. I've got something else in mind, and I just want to get my hand and mind back into the idea. So this will be a nice simple little thing, and something I've been meaning to do for ages. All the offcuts, I'll make use of them somehow. Okay, so that's the top of that, that's the bottom of that, it goes like that. So like that, and then I've got to put a pillar in the middle which will be the same as this thing. And I need 2 posts. One strip cut between 2. I can work out how to make the hole in the middle. Okay, this one's out because for some reason this one doesn't work. One of my most popular comments on TikTok is quite literally how to use this thing. I'm not even very good at it, but I commented on Make 52 Things' video about, I said, slide the bar along, backwards and forwards. It cuts through quicker. And once I've got the mask on, I can sand these down. I think I'm going like that, and then first things first. Right, executive decision time. That's the height of that. These are going on here because they can't go there because these aren't wide enough. So we'll take that much off. 1 and 2, and just go. Pin them in like that for the time being. Hold them in place, pins, rather than permanent. I do like the stud look though, and the giant nails. have a well. And this goes on top. Now this is what I'm not happy with this. Okay, that's got to go like that. What I've got to do is cut the corner down. That'll be my build. And that's 68 pins in it. Right, chaos once again. Let's have a tidy up. Oh, shit. That's the problem with this thing. Oh, bollocks. Tried to do it level. Look at that. Bollocks. Oh, I just bodged that. Look at that. I don't think I need that long a stick. Let's cut that down. That's now wonky, because why would it not be? Yeah, he's now developing the story behind this. I see the well broke at one point, more than once. They've had to re-drill the post.
A few moments later.
I'm just trying to see if I can make a winch. Oh, this is tedious. I hate doing things like this. Why do I set myself up for these things?
2 hours later.
I think I almost forgot. Going with Burgundian. The question for it: what's the film where Pimlico discover that they're part of Burgundy? I mean, it says it all. If you've ever been Pimlico, it's like there's nothing there. But yeah, they discover they're part of Burgundy, and then they declare themselves independent from the rest of London and UK. And then they get the water cut off, and there's all the electricity and all that. And it's a like Second World War film, and I remember it, and it's not very good. I remember it not being very good, but it's one of those films that you watch it and go, it should be remade. This would be really good if it was remade like now. But I have no clue what that film's called. It was something weird. It wasn't Freedom for Burgundian. It was Burgundian. They were Burgundians. So there's one for you. Answers in the comments below. What was the name of that film? My mum used to watch all these old films and loved these old films, and when she died, I think I got all the films. I tried to make Tora watch some of them. She doesn't do black and white films. She doesn't understand old musicals. So how to aggravate Tora. Sing Meet Me in St. Louis. Meet me in St. Louis, Louis, meet me at the fair. Don't tell me the lights are pretty any place but there. We can dance the hoochie coochie. You can be my tootsie wootsie if you meet me in St. Louis, Louis, meet me at the fair. Well, what do we think of that then? Well, there you go. One town well to sort of go with the half completed house that's up there. It's now got a bottom half. I think that's going to turn into an inn because I made a signpost. Yeah, just simple and quick and fairly quick. I mean, it takes time for the Mod Podge to dry more than anything, but not bad. I'm quite happy with that. It's quite fun, cute little thing. In size comparison, it ties up with the sort of 70mm models, so it's a little bit lopsided, but it's old and rustic. And so yeah, there we go. And I hope you enjoyed this little video. Come back for more random little model making things, flow art paintings, actual model making, painting. So if you like these things, give it a thumbs up, leave comments down below, and go subscribe to this channel and London Creative Out and About. So until then, until next time, bye. And ping. What the hell does that say? Text message in Japanese. That's useful. I don't speak Japanese. Not well, anyway. Anything else that I can think of that's not in Japanese or Korean? Wonder who that's from. Right.